Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use artifacts in Archero 2. To use artifacts in Archero 2, head to the collectibles section, which unlocks after progressing through stages and islands. Here, you'll see your talent cards, and right beside them, your artifacts. Once you obtain an artifact, it activates automatically, providing base stats and special effects without needing manual use. If you collect artifacts from the same set, you'll unlock additional set bonuses, which you can view in the codex. These bonuses activate depending on your artifact's star level in the set you've completed. You can acquire artifacts through the wishing shop, which costs 4,000 coins for 10 wishes, or by participating in special and limited time events that reward fragments or complete artifacts. In short, artifacts power up your build the moment you unlock them, with even greater boosts when you complete full sets. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.